Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is Level Up with Safare. I'm Safare, you're here to level up. Let's go, man. This is a quick video. I know you guys, it's the weekend, so you guys getting hyped, getting motivated, watching videos, trying to make the first step, take the first step. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 6:12 a.m.
6:12 a.m., man. We putting in work early, man. And I've been up. I already hit the gym. I already took a shower, man. It takes time to get up, and it takes time to get extra hours so you can be motivated, so you can be dedicated, so you can get some work done, so you can take the first step and still have a regular life. You can't just work a 9 to 5 and then when you get done, you get tired, you just go home, chill, play video games, have a beer, go chill with the family. That's not going to get you successful, man. That's not going to take you to another level. You got to put in work. Either you got to get in early or you got to stay up late. But once again, this is a quick video on why Amazon FBA is better than Amazon Flex, why Amazon FBA is better than Uber, better than all those services. Just a quick recap in case you guys don't know what Amazon Flex is. Amazon Flex is Amazon's delivery service for like Amazon Prime, Amazon.com orders. Basically, when somebody places an order, it's shipped down or whatever, it's shipped from wherever, headquarters, facility that it's at, and it gets sent to a local distribution center. And what Amazon Flex drivers do is they drive to that location and they pick up about 50, 60, 70 Amazon packages and they distribute and deliver them to different areas, within their area, within their block, it's like a 5-mile radius, 3-mile radius on where they deliver. So I'm in Las Vegas. So if you deliver on the strip, you're delivering on the strip. If you're delivering in a small area in Henderson, you're delivering in a small area in Henderson. It's like the same, area, zip code, 1 or 2 miles or whatever, but basically you get paid $18 an hour. You might get 50 packages. Your block might be for 4 hours. And if you deliver all those packages before your 4 hours is up, that means that $72 that you got paid for 4 hours, you might have got paid $72 for 3 hours, $72 for 2 hours. It just depends on when you get your packages delivered. Also, if you get a whole bunch of packages and you get a whole bunch of apartments, or you get a whole bunch of issues with delivering, or people aren't there, you got to make calls, people aren't taking a long time to answer the door, then that 4-hour block that you get paid $72 for, it might take you 5 hours, it might take you 6 hours. You might not deliver all the packages, so you got to take some of the packages back to the distribution center, to the warehouse where you picked them up. So that's extra gas. It's cool because it's quick money. I think you get paid 2 times a week, but you have a cap on how much you can make because you still trading your time for money. You still working a certain amount of hours and you get paid for that amount of hours. If you don't work, you don't get paid. So it's like one of those things where it's good if you need quick money, quick, reasonable, decent money that can help you out right now. But if you're trying to build a business and you're trying to have something that has longevity, if you're trying to have something that you can like create other streams of revenue, of income from, Amazon Flex isn't that thing, man. It's more of a job. It's not a career. It's not an entrepreneurial venture. It's not, anything that you can scale. It's not anything that you can benefit from later on in life. It doesn't create residual income. It doesn't create passive income. It's just you work and you get paid. If you do not work, you don't get paid. The cool thing is you don't have a boss. You don't have somebody micromanaging you. Once you pick up the packages, you out. You in your own car. You can drive as much as you want as long as you pick up the packages and you deliver them from by 9 p.m., which is probably like a 12-hour span. You can take however long you want to deliver the packages. You can deliver 5 packages now, take a 30-minute break, deliver 10 packages now, take an hour break. You can deliver half of your packages and then deliver half of the packages when it gets, cooler outside. The only thing is the packages are in your car the whole damn time, so that's like I said, it's cool if you got to go through. If you got a car, you need some extra money, it's cool because it's quick. And you don't have, you can put your music on, you can drive. All you're doing is driving and playing around, eating food, drinking, whatever. If it's hot, if it's cold, you just handling your business and you going, so it's cool. But let's talk about the same thing with Uber. You guys all know about Uber. You just drive, you just a taxi cab, so if you're not working, you're not getting paid. If you work, you get paid quickly. So it's cool. It doesn't take a lot of brain power, a lot of research. It doesn't take an investment. It doesn't take a whole bunch of other things that other businesses take to grow. But the trade-off is the other businesses, you can scale them. They can provide passive income. You can create more streams of revenue from those, the immediate purchase or whatever the immediate, score, purpose, results are. Let's switch. Let's go to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. So basically, Amazon delivers all the packages that you send them. So Amazon FBA basically is something where you buy overseas items or you buy items in bulk, and you basically ship them to Amazon, to an Amazon facility, and Amazon will separate them. They'll package them. When an order comes through from Amazon.com, a prime order or non-prime order, they'll package your product and they'll ship them to the customer. They handle the returns. They handle, if there's any issues with it, payments, and they take their cut, they take their percentage, they take their cut, but they handle everything. So a situation what I'm working on is now I'm doing a lot of research for products, so I can figure out what products are selling well, that are cheap for me, they have, yield a high profit margin, products that are easily, you can replicate them. So it's something where if I need to order, $1,000 every month or whatever, that can happen. And basically, once I figure out a product, I'm going to send the supplier, the manufacturer, a boatload of money so they can produce my products. That's the thing. With Amazon FBA Fulfilled by Amazon, you have to have some type of investment. You have to have some type of financial amount set to the side so you can send them so they can create your packages, create your products. Like I said, flip side with Amazon Flex, you just work and you get paid. But that's all you can do. You work, you get paid. You don't work, you don't get paid. With Amazon FBA, you send them one-time money or whatever. They have all your packages created, and you can actually have your supplier directly from China, from wherever you buy the products from. You can have those items shipped directly to Amazon, so you don't touch the products at all. You don't hold the products. You don't have to package the products. You don't have to label the products. You don't have to do any of that. There's other steps in between that I'm skipping, but basically, you buy some products overseas. You have the manufacturer from overseas ship them to Amazon. Once that process is done, where the things are being shipped and all that, you go to Amazon seller account, Seller Central, and you create the Amazon listing. You put the pictures, the description, the price. You create everything. Like when you go to Amazon, how you go look at products, you're creating that. And what happens is once that slide is created, all the products, they have some type of number, system where they can actually create and connect everything. All those products will be shipped and they'll be put under that listing that you created. So if you sent over, you purchased 500 cell phones, the 500 cell phones will be sent to Amazon and they'll be under your listing. So when somebody makes a purchase, they'll be purchasing from your listing. You'll get a piece of it. You'll get a cut. Amazon will get a cut. Amazon will ship the product. And once the product is purchased, you get paid. You get paid to your Amazon account. And that's all there is to it. You pay once and you make the listing, and if your product is selling constantly. You might get an order now, you might get 5 orders in an hour, you might get 10 hours when you sleep, you might get 20 orders when you're at work. It doesn't matter. People are buying your products if it's a hot selling product. And like I said, to get to that point, there's different steps in between. Like you have to do product research, you have to create, shipping labels, you have to create barcodes, you have to do keyword management, you have to do ads. There's a lot of stuff that you have to do in between. But like I said, the whole, the easy way to define it is you buy products overseas ships the products to Amazon, you create the Amazon listing, and people buy from your Amazon listing and you get paid. Amazon gets paid, you get paid. Amazon gets paid, you get paid. You might get 30, 40%, 50%, 60% depending on how you price it per product. So if you're selling a product for $10, that's pretty low. But if you're selling a product for $10, every time that product is sold, you might get 4, you might get 5, and that's crazy, because then it's like I put in 1,000, but I might get 5,000 back. I might get 4,000 back, including my investment. And that's crazy. And you're not doing anything else. You're not shipping. You're not packaging stuff. You're not handling returns. You're not doing any of that. Amazon is doing all of it. And the thing is, once you do that, once you get to the point where you're able to successfully prove that you're able to create products, sell products, and the process, then you create a YouTube channel like I'm doing here. I'm doing it a little prematurely, but there's so many different ways to make money. You can have a channel that's solely focused on Amazon FBA and create videos. People want to see this. People want to see the journey. They don't really care about Amazon Flex, you making deliveries or whatever. So it's hard to like make a YouTube channel out of that because it's so easy. But Amazon FBA, there's different things involved. There's different programs, there's different strategies, there's different, research tactics. So if you make an Amazon video or a YouTube video about Amazon FBA, you can actually create a community of people who are loving your videos and love watching you. And when you're doing that, then you can monetize it. You can sell merch, you can sell products, you can sell consulting, you can sell ebooks, you can sell product help. You can add Facebook groups, you can add GroupMe groups, you can add all this stuff to monetize once you get a following, because people want to know about this. This is something that people need to know about. The old way of just going to the store, going to Toys R Us, going to Circuit City, going to bed, all that stuff is done. You got to figure out a way to get in there. You can create your own store online and not hold any inventory and get paid. That's Amazon FBA. And like I said, a lot of people who start with Amazon FBA, they create YouTube channels, they create a course, they create consulting. Now they don't even do Amazon FBA anymore. They get more money doing other stuff, teaching people how to do Amazon FBA. That's the game. I know people who've created YouTube channels off Amazon FBA and they grew to 100, 200,000 subscribers and they sold their YouTube channels for thousands of dollars. I know people who've created Amazon seller accounts who've created, revenue of $20,000, $30,000 per month, and eventually a year in, they sold that Amazon account for thousands of dollars, and they're able to replicate the process. Once you're successful at any of this stuff, it's easy to replicate it because it's all online. The blueprint, the secrets, the secret sauce. So this is why Amazon FBA is way better than Amazon Flex. It's better than Uber. It's better than Postmates. It's better than DoorDash. It's better than all those, man. You guys got to get on it. And there's different aspects to Amazon FBA. There's different, affiliate marketing things you can do. You can venture off and do drop shipping because you already understand the way online ads and all that stuff work. There's so many opportunities, man. This is Level Up for Safari. This video is about how Amazon FBA is better than Amazon Flex, how Amazon FBA is better than Uber, how Amazon FBA is better than Lyft, how Amazon FBA is better than all those other services that people use to spend their time to get money. You do something one time with Amazon FBA and you do it successfully, your whole life has changed. Everything has changed if you do it right. If you're able to monetize things and do things the way it's supposed to be done, you can change your life. You can change your parents' life. You can change your sister's life, your brother's life, your friend's life, your cousin's life, your co-worker's life. You can change everything if you do it right. Because then the only thing you're doing is you can tell people to replicate the process. If you make $20,000 a month from Amazon FBA, why can't you help somebody else do the same thing and then have them pay you $5,000 a month because they got to that point, and now you're getting paid $5,000 on top of everything else just by helping somebody else do all the work. They have questions, they have issues, they're gonna hit you up. But the thing is, you're paying them, and they are okay with it because you're making them 4 times as much money as they're paying you. But this is Mario Safari. Level Up. Please subscribe down below. Please like. Please comment. I'm going to have some type of contest where like the first 10 people in every video, I'm going to give away something. I'm going to pick one out of the first 10 comments so you guys get something. I don't know what it is. I'll start mixing it up, put some ideas in the description below. I don't know if I'm going to add you to a secret group. I don't know if I'll call you. I don't know if you want to text. I don't know if you guys got questions to ask. I don't know if you guys, when I go live, you guys will be able to ask all the questions and I'll answer your questions first. I don't know what it is, but once again, it's the Level Up for Safari. Give me all the information, all the comments down below. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for coming here. I know it's like a little crappy. I know it's the beginning, but please work with me. Please work with me. Please stay dedicated. Like I'm dedicated. You can see how I'm passionate about it. You can see how things are going to change. I want you guys to be on the ride. I want you guys to be there the whole way so you guys can walk with me. I don't want to do this and then start preaching to you guys when I got a Lamborghini, when I got a new house, when I got all this. I want you guys to be there right with me so I can say everybody did this with me. I got a whole team with me. I got all these people. I'm gonna have questions. I'm gonna have questions when everything get rolling. So I want you guys to be able to answer. You guys got questions, I want you to ask me. I don't want this just to be a one-way thing. I want you guys to be able to, we all communicate, man. We all comment down below. We all in Facebook groups. We all in the GroupMe groups. We all emailing each other. We all got questions, man. You don't gotta buy a course. You don't gotta buy certain things, expensive things. Derek Struggle, all these Tanner J Foxes to get your questions answered, man. You guys can go out this off the hip and just make some choices, man. A lot of people back in the day, they started without courses and they still selling on stuff. So, I'll probably do something a little later on, once I really get it going. But as of right now, man, product research and all this stuff, man, you guys can get it, man. It's the first step. Link in the description for Jungle Scout. If you sign up for Jungle Scout through my affiliate link, I'll get a kickback, and I'll add you guys to my special group. If you guys want the group me group, I'll add you to there. If you guys want the Facebook group, I'll add you to that. But both for private, both for just for entrepreneurs who really trying to get it going, who's taking the first step. Let's go. It's early. You got to get up, man. I know this video is probably out before you guys wake up, but I want you guys, as soon as you get online, to be able to find this video, man, and get motivated to go, man. Take the first step. I promise you it feels a lot better. The first step is the hardest. Once you get to the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, all those are easy. But the thing is, those steps, they'll pay you. The first step doesn't pay you. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, they pay you, man. So it's an easier step, and you get paid for it. You just gotta get through the first, you know. But this is over. Amazon FBA is better than Amazon Flex. Amari Safare, let's go. Let's get it. Have a great day. Let's go. Let's grind. Let's start. Peace.